Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fundamentals of Engineering. In this lecture, we are going to see how we are finding out the inverse of a matrix A. So earlier we have seen how we are finding out the adjoint of a matrix A. For 2 by 2 matrix, how we are finding out the adjoint. If you want to look at that video, then link is in the description box. So for this video, we are going to see how we are finding out the inverse of a matrix A. So this is our matrix A, which having 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So for this 2 by 2 matrix A, we are finding out the inverse. So for that, how we are finding out? So we have to follow some simple steps. So what are these steps? First, we have to find out the determinant of given matrix. So first we have to find out the determinant, then we have to find out the adjoint of a given matrix. How we are finding out the adjoint of matrix? The detailed video you can watch, the link which is in the description box or in a suggestion I that you can see. There you can find out the how we are finding out the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. Then third step, we have to divide the adjoint, whatever the adjoint we have got, with the determinant. Then our inverse will be ready. So we have to follow these simple 4 steps, and based on that we'll find out the inverse of a matrix. Now we are going to look at these simple steps. Okay guys, so first we have to find out the determinant of a given matrix. So determinant A, that is what? 3, 2, minus 1, 4. These are the 4 values. We have to find out the determinant. How we are finding out? Multiplying with these diagonal values. So when we get the multiplication, we have to add these diagonal values. So how we are getting? 3 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2. 3 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2. 3 into 4, how we are getting? 12, and minus 1 into 2, what value we are getting? Minus 2. So 12 plus minus 2, that value we are getting, that is 10. So this is our determinant of a given matrix. So next step is what? Adjoint of a given matrix. So this is our 2 by 2 matrix. So for that we have to find out the cofactor of given matrix. So how we are finding out the cofactor of given matrix? So this 3, 2, minus 1, 4, this will be given as, or we can write it as A11, A12, A21, A22. So what is that? First one is a row, second that is column. So this is row and column position. So now how we are going to find out the cofactors? So first A11 means this value. So we have to add this row and this column. Then what is remaining? 4. This is our cofactor 1, A11, that is 4. So this first we got. Then A12 means this one. So we have to hide this row and this column. What value remaining? That is minus 1. This is our cofactor. Then A21, this is, so we have to add this row and column. So we are getting remaining what? 2. So this is our cofactor A21. Then last one, that is 4, A22. So we have to hide this row and this column. What is remaining? 3. So A22, that is our 3. So based on this row and column positions, we have to give this sign to the cofactors. So how we are giving this sign? If addition of this row and column, if we add the position of this row and column, if this is even, then we are giving the positive sign. If the addition of this row and column is odd, then we are giving negative sign. So first A11, that is even value, that is 2. So this sign will be positive. A21, 3, that is odd value, so sign will be negative. A21, 3, so sign will be negative. Then A22, 4, that is even value, those sign will be positive. So these signs we have to give these cofactors. So now cofactor how we are getting? 4 plus 1 plus value, so this will be 4, minus 1, so we have to give this minus into minus, this will be plus, then minus plus, this will be minus 2, then plus 3. So this cofactor we got for this given matrix. Now for finding out the adjoint, we have to take the transpose. In transpose, what happened? The row becomes column. So this row become column, this first one. In transpose, this row position will become as a column position. So how we are getting adjoint? This row 4 1 will be first column, so this will be 4 1. Then second row minus 2 3 will be second column, that is minus 2 3. So this is our adjoint of a given matrix. Then third will be a simple steps. What is that? We have to divide the adjoint with the determinant of a given matrix. So adjoint we have to divide with a determinant, so then we will get the inverse. So what is our determinant? That is 10. So 1 by 10 we are dividing. What is that adjoint value? 4 minus 2 1 3. So we have to divide, right? So we can multiply this 1 by 10 into this matrix. So what we are getting? The inverse of a given matrix. If we multiply with this 1 by 10, then 4 by 10, this will be a 2 by 5, minus 2 by 10, this will be minus 1 by 5, then 1 by 10 into 1, so this will be 1 by 10, 3 into 1 by 10, this will be a 3 by 10. So inverse of a given matrix is what? 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 3 by 10. So our inverse is ready. So what we have followed in this lecture: first we have to find out the determinant, then we have to find out the adjoint, then we have to divide the adjoint with the determinant to find out the given matrix inverse. So this is the simple steps we have followed. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.